Hesitation, boredom, and friendliness are the theme of T.S. Eliot's The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, and it is a true introduction of the genius poet of 20th century, T.S. Eliot. Epigraph from Dante's Inferno, which is a confession of Monte di Feltro, sets the tone of the poem that it's about the dark recesses of mind, a case of self pity without any hope of spirituality. Noteworthy point about the poem is content wise and stylistically, it's a complete departure from the previous age. It's a new poem depicting its age, starting the modern poetry. And though the themes of Eliot's poetry are not immediately related to the First World War, the outbreak of war did lend an urgency to the poem. Prufrock personified or symbolized a state of mind in which a war could break out. It's significant to note that whenever Prufrock escapes from the monotony or boredom of the human company into fantasy, his mind conjures up scenes or symbols of death or death like situations. The evening is like a patient authorized for a serious operation struggling between life and death. The nights are restless, the restaurants are cheap, where acts of violence are common. The cat itself is associated with ferocity and destruction. Prufrock imagines himself sprawling on a pin and wriggling on a wall. He compares or contrasts himself to John the Baptist, Lazarus, Prince Hamlet, who were involved in violent or tragic deaths. Only in the last few lines his fantasy brings into play the sea image which is symbolic of life, and yet the last line brings in the image of death and we drown. The poem is rich in literary allusions. Michelangelo, for instance, starts up the rich image of the medieval passionate love of God and man, the image of an artist who turned his sufferings into material of great art. But the women talking of him do not properly understand his value as an artist, and they are chittering about him as though he were a detective film hero. The other significant allusions in the poem are John the Baptist, Lazarus, and Hamlet. These allusions tend to highlight certain inherent characteristics of the protagonist, that is, Prufrock himself. Lastly, why the poem is called Love Song? In truth, the theme of love is so much subdued in it that it's difficult to say whether it is at all about love and whether there is any evidence in it of the presence of Prufrock's beloved. In a very different style, at least, we can feel that some very infinite, some very gentle thing is suffering a lot. And the love song gives us the feeling of pain.